Hey everybody, KP here. I got another gas station prep. I seen these last week and I was like, I'm gonna get me one. Then I ended up finding out they had two different colors, so I got a silver one and a black one. Well, let's just say I just got the silver one because the monster's been claiming the black one. It's a multi-tool made by Roughneck. Clip cutters multi-tool. Some of the things I got on here: Phillips screwdriver, utility knife, lock for the blade, centimeter ruler, carabiner, spanner, flathead screwdriver, clip, inch ruler, and bottle opener. Let's check this out. Alright, now I got it out the package. Right here, if you barely can see it, camera's not really focusing in on it. It's supposed to be a Phillips screwdriver, but I don't know. I'd have to really check into it. There's the clip. You can clip it to your pocket or your belt, show you so choose. I'm guessing that's supposed to be some kind of hex wrench. There's your bottle cap opener. Right here is supposed to be the flathead screwdriver. Pretty cool little tool. Feels like it's made out of aluminum. And this is how you would take this out. Probably have to do it two hands. So let me try that. You have to push this, see? And it'll slide out. It's gonna lock in. Obviously not. Yep. It just locked in. Push that and it goes back in. I don't really trust that lock so much. Because that is plastic. Other than that, seems like everything else is pretty good on here. There's one ruler. And then there's the millimeter ruler, or centimeter ruler. That's like 2-inch. I really wouldn't trust using this for heavy duty type stuff because it does feel like it might break. But I'm gonna have to use it and check it out, make sure it stands up. But you never know. Yeah, it should be able to handle bottle opening. Anything other than that, maybe some cutting, maybe a little wrench here, but I don't know. $6.99. It's about that thick. I don't like how this lock sounds like at an angle. Looks like it's kind of bent in a way. But what do you expect for $7? It might come in handy. You might find some other uses for it. That razor blade could be good for a seatbelt cutter, even though there's a lot better seatbelt cutters out there than just using this. Let's take a look at some of the pictures that's on the the packaging. Might come in handy. You never know. Especially if you ain't got nothing that you could use. You could try it out and see. But Roughneck, I don't know. Not really a fan of this one. But after I use it a couple times, I'll see what's what. Just leave it in the comments what y'all think about something like this. And I'll see you on the next video.